Hello friends, welcome again, and this is my project Help Desk Ticketing System, and I have developed this project in Python, Django, and MySQL. The version for the Python I'm using the Python version 2.7, MySQL version is 5.6, and Django version is 1.11, right? And for connecting Python Django with MySQL, I'm using the PyMySQL, or you can use MySQL connector also. So this is a web-based application. So for front-end development, I'm using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Right. Also, I have used some of the jQuery library for developing this project. Right. So let's start with the functionality. Go through that what we have developed inside this project help desk ticketing system. Right. So this is the major project where there are two types of login available. The first one is a user login who can raise the ticket, and the second one is the admin login who can see the details of the ticket and post a comment and close it. User can also close the ticket by himself, right? We have provided a provision for that. So let's start with the functionality go through. This is the home page of the project, and this is a static page. There is nothing dynamic on it, and it's loading from the index.html. So if you want to change the UI, if you want to change the image, then you can open the index.html, and after that you can change it from there. This is about project, and this is also a static page. There is nothing dynamic on it. This is a registration, right? If you don't have the user ID and password, then you can register from here, and after that you can raise your own ticket. This is a login from where the admin and the customer both can log in. Means the user both can log in, but according to the login level, the internal functionality will be different. This is a contact us. This is a static contact us page. This is a real Google map, but this is for development purpose only. We are not using the production environment Google map. So this is a static contact us page. I'm not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Now I'm going to log in as an admin. Once you log in as an admin, then these are the functionalities you can perform. These menu option is also available here. You can see. Let me go through one by one. So home, I already explained you. About us, I already explained you. Dashboard. Right. Now this is add new ticket. From here, admin can add the ticket, right, on the behalf of user. This is add ticket type. This is for ticket type and means what type of ticket the customer can reach. This is add new status and what is the status of the ticket. This will be displayed in a drop down here. This is the ticket type. This is the status. This is a dynamic drop downs, and the value are coming from the database. This is a ticket report. You can see these three ticket the customer has reached, right? And this you can see this is the high priority. That's why red one. This is a low priority. That's why this is the orange one, and this is the also orange one, right? Once you click on the view, then you will be able to see the details of the ticket. If you enter your titles, it means if customer wants any update, then need more details. Finally, share more details about the ticket. Right? Post comment. Once customer posts the comment, then he will be able to see, okay, this uh, has been submitted, right? And this is the kindly share more details and on this time, right? Okay. So this is the comment entered by the admin, right? This is a ticket report, all ticket you can see. If you want to, this is open. If you want to close it, just click on the pen and this click on the close, set close. That ticket will be closed, right? If you want to delete a ticket, just click on the delete and that ticket will be deleted from the database, right? So this is the flow. This is a status report. So you can see there are 4 status we have added. Means these 4 values you will get in the drop down. This is a ticket type report. There are 3 ticket type report. This is a user report. All of the users which is available in the database will be displayed here, right? This is the my account section from where you will be able to update your account details. This is a change password from where you can change your password and log out. This is a dynamic menu. If you log out, then you will not be able to see the administrative options. Let me show you. Log out, you can't see. If you log in, you will be able to see. Now I am going to log in as a customer. So once you log in as a customer, you can see this is my tickets. Currently, customer has not raised any ticket. Now I'm going to raise a ticket. Okay, so need new mouse. Ticket type, Hyper T status name. Okay, my mouse is not working. Once you click on the submit, you can see you are able to see your tickets and it's a high priority. Right. Once you click on the it, then you can see there is no comment here. But I need a new mouse. Right. My mouse is not working. Right. Once you click on the push comment, then your comment will be saved. You can see it has been saved. Right. And you can see it into my tickets. Right. In my account, you will be able to update your account details and the change password from you will be able to update your account password and the logout. Once you log out, then you will not be able to see the administrative option. But you can see after customer login, the menu are different. There is no add and report option. But if you log in as an admin, you will be able to see add new. So this is a session driven menu. It renders according to the session. If admin login, then the internal menu will be different. If customer login, the internal menu will be different. Now let's see this one. View, you can see, okay, mouse provided and mouse has been delivered, right? Post comments, you can see there are 2 user comments are here, right? And if ticket reports, if user want to edit the report, then close. You can see it has been closed, right? And the logout. So this functionalities I have developed inside this project, help desk rating system. And as I told you earlier, this project I have developed in Python, Django, and MySQL. The version for the Python I'm using is the Python 2.7, MySQL is 5.6, Django version 1.1. If you need more functionality in this project, or if you need more enhancement in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.